Hello everyone, welcome to our video on understanding Google's algorithm updates. Google's algorithm updates are crucial for anyone involved in digital marketing and SEO. These updates aim to improve the quality of search results by rewarding high-quality content and penalizing manipulative tactics. In this video, we'll explore the history and impact of Google's algorithm updates, providing insights into how they affect your website's visibility and ranking. What are Google algorithm updates? Google algorithm updates refer to changes made to Google's search algorithm to improve the relevance and quality of search results. These updates can be major, such as core updates, or smaller, like spam updates, and are designed to ensure that users receive the most helpful and reliable information possible. Why are Google algorithm updates important? Google algorithm updates are important because they influence how websites rank in search engine results. By understanding these updates, you can adjust your SEO strategies to maintain or improve your website's visibility and drive more organic traffic. History of major Google algorithm updates. 1. Panda Update, 2011. The Panda update targeted low-quality content and duplicate content, aiming to improve the quality of search results. It penalized sites with thin or copied content, emphasizing the importance of unique and valuable content. 2. Penguin Update, 2012. The Penguin update focused on combating spammy link-building tactics. It penalized sites with unnatural backlink profiles, highlighting the need for high-quality, relevant backlinks. 3. Hummingbird Update, 2013. The Hummingbird update enhanced Google's ability to understand natural language and context in search queries. It improved the handling of long-tail keywords and conversational searches. 4. BERT Update, 2019. The BERT update used machine learning to better understand the context of words in search queries. It significantly impacted long-tail keywords and featured snippets, making search results more relevant and concise. 5. Core Updates, 2020 present. Core updates are designed to improve the overall quality of search results. Recent updates, such as those in March and November 2024, have focused on rewarding helpful content and reducing spammy results. Google Algorithm Updates Chart. Algorithm Update Year Description Impact. Panda Update 2011 targeted low-quality content, penalized duplicate and thin content. Penguin Update 2012 focused on spammy link-building tactics, penalized unnatural backlinks. Hummingbird Update 2013 enhanced natural language understanding, improved handling of long-tail keywords. BERT Update 2019 used machine learning for context understanding, impacted long-tail keywords and featured snippets. Core Updates 2020 present improve overall search result quality, reward helpful content and reduce spam. Example: adapting to the March 2024 Core Update. Let's say you run a blog focused on health and wellness. To adapt to the March 2024 Core Update, which emphasized helpful content, you should focus on quality content, ensure your articles are well-researched, informative, and provide real value to readers. Avoid AI-generated spam. Steer clear of using AI-generated content solely for SEO purposes. Instead, use AI to enhance human-created content. Optimize for user experience. Improve your website's user experience by enhancing page speed, mobile usability, and navigation. Tools and resources for understanding Google algorithm updates. Google Search Central provides official updates and insights into algorithm changes. SEMrush offers tools for auditing your website's SEO performance and identifying areas for improvement based on recent updates. Ahrefs helps analyze backlinks and content relevance, which are influenced by algorithm updates. Search Engine Journal, a valuable resource for staying updated on the latest SEO trends and algorithm changes. Measuring success after algorithm updates. To measure the success of your strategies after algorithm updates, track metrics such as organic traffic, monitor changes in traffic from search engines, Keyword rankings. Track how high your pages rank for specific keywords. Conversion rates. Measure the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action. User engagement metrics. Monitor dwell time and bounce rate to assess user experience. Conclusion. Understanding Google's algorithm updates is crucial for maintaining and improving your website's visibility in search results. By staying informed about these updates and adjusting your SEO strategies accordingly, you can ensure that your content remains relevant and valuable to both users and search engines. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive guide to Google's algorithm updates. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on digital marketing and SEO. We regularly post new videos to help you improve your online skills and stay updated with the latest trends in the digital world. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest videos.